So we go to wix.com. So that we can create our account. And now we go to where it says get started. And then here you type in your email. Then you retype your email. And then passwords. And then once you have filled all the fields, you click on sign up. And then here you can just cancel this one. This one doesn't matter. You can just cancel this one so that we can go to the Wix dashboard. So this is our dashboard. And I've already created a folder with all the pictures that I want to use on this website. So we're going to create a restaurant website. So I downloaded all these pictures just to show you how to upload the pictures and how to position them as well. Okay, so you can do this as well. Get all the pictures that you want, put them in one folder, and by doing that, it will be easy for you later on. So let's go back now to our Wix. And then now we come here where it says create new site. So Wix is a little bit heavy. So if you have a very slow computer or a slow internet connection, you might have problems. Okay, so this is where you choose now the kind of website you want. So I'm going to type here restaurant. So here it is. So just click here on restaurant, and then you click next. And then now let's here it will let you type in the name of your restaurant. So I'm going to call my restaurant Foodies, like this. Okay, and then you can also skip all this. You can come here, bottom right corner, just skip. But I've seen that this actually helps. It makes life easy. Just put all the information at first. It's way easy, especially when you're a beginner. Okay, so I'll click next. All right, okay, so here it says, what do you want to add to your website? So this is where you click all the things that you want to be on your website. All right, yes, I've already mentioned that you can also skip all the stages, but I think it's important for you to just know how to add this on the stage. So I'm going to tick on some. So here we want to chat. Yes, we want to chat with customers. We also want to have menus. Yes, food orders. Yes, and then you can also add this, and we have online store, bookings, events, a blog, all those things, pricing plans, blah blah blah. So there are a lot of things that you can add, but I think we'll just keep with these three only. We'll just keep these three only, and then I'm going to, or let me add one more. We already have bookings. We already have online store, forms. Okay, let's add forms. So I'm just going to click on forms here, and then I'll click next. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on begin with the templates. All right, okay, so now we're given different types of templates. Okay, so you just scroll downwards and then you look for the one that's more appealing to you. And then here we have options. We have catering and chef, restaurants, cafe and bakery, bar or club, food and drinks. And then if you go down here, you can also go to the second column just to check if there is anything that catches our eye. All right, okay, so all these are options that you can pick from. Okay, I'm just going to pick any so that I can show you how we can go about the whole process. Okay, let me go back to the first one. I think I saw something. Let's see. This one now. Just pick this one. All right, and then from here now, you can first view it, or you can just go straight into editing it. Or let's start by viewing it. So I'll click on view, and then I'll be directed to another tab where it will show you how it will be looking. So this is how the site will be looking. So here you have a picture. All right, let me just cancel this. These are just tips. All right, so this is what you'll be seeing. Remember, we'll edit all those things later on. We're going to edit all those things later on, and then from here now, we have all this. We have all this. I think this is pretty decent. I think this is pretty decent. Yeah, we can use it. So now, if you want to edit, now you go here where it says edit the site. You click here on edit. And then now we are going to the editor now. This might take a little bit of time, but just wait for it to finish. And remember to subscribe, guys, and also give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video. We'll be bringing you more tutorials, more useful tutorials. So make sure to stay with us by subscribing so that you won't miss anything. And also hit that notification bell so that you get a notification the moment we post a new video. We post videos every week. We post multiple videos every week. So stay tuned. All right, so now we are in. So this is our site. Like I said before, that if your computer has low specs, you might have problems with Wix. So I advise you to get a very high spec computer if you want to take this to a commercial level. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish up, but we are almost there. Okay, so this is our site. All right, as you can see now, this is where we do all the editing. All right. Okay, so let me start from the left side. So from here now, if I click this one, this is to add elements. If I click here on add elements, so these are the elements that you can add. You can add text, images, patterns, scripts. The list is endless. If you just go down and click on the thing that you want to add. So this is how you add elements. Okay, let me cancel this so that I can show you everything. And then the second one is add section. If I click here on section, this is where you can add the about, team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, testimonials, clients, blah, blah, blah. And then again, this is pages and menus. And then the next one is site design. This is whereby you want to design the site. If you want to change the colors, if you want to rearrange things and stuff, that is where you come here where it says site design. So this is what you get from apps. So you can always choose all those things, comments, all those apps that you can also integrate into your website. All right. So we're not going to add any of this. Let's just make our site simple and plain. All right. So let me cancel this and then I'll show you more. Okay, moving on. So this one now is my business. You don't need this at the moment. And then here is media. So media, this is whereby you, let me click on media, then you see what you'll be given. All right. Okay. So Photo Studio and Video Maker. So this is where you do the things to do with uploads. If you want to upload a photo, you come here on Upload Medium, and then I think we are done now. Okay. So let's before we do any editing, let's publish the site so that you can see how it will be looking. So when you want to publish now, you come here where it says publish, and then you click on publish. So once you click publish, it means now our site is now live. All right, so you can see here it says congratulations, your site is published and live online. So now we can go and view it. So you just click here on view site so that we can see our site. So this new tab, that's our site now. Let's wait for it. So as you can see here on our on the domain name, it says chiwasec.wix.com/foodies. This is because we haven't bought the domain name. That's why we have this kind of domain name. But once you've connected your domain name, it will be written your proper name, maybe www.foodies.com. So this is just a free one. All right, okay, so this is our site. We haven't done anything to our site. We haven't edited anything. This is the template that we given by Wix. And then as you can see, it's exactly like the one that we viewed earlier on. Okay, so now let's edit our site. So if you come at the bottom here, you see that here it says connect, and then we are given all this info, and then visit the address. So I'm going to start by editing all this. So you go to your editor, and then you go down. You go down. All right, and then from there now, we click here on the site, and then here it says edit text. I'll click on edit text. Okay, so this is where you can change all the effects. You can put italics, you can put bolds. So you have to select first, and then now I can change this. I can underline. I can also change the spacing or the font. Font just increase here. So as you can see that my font is increasing. So that is how you increase fonts. All right. Let's go back to 18. I think it was on 18. On 18. All right, that's perfect. Okay, so that is how to change, how to format text, obviously depending on what you'll be wanting. All right, and then so this is how to edit text. All right, okay, let me change the number as well. So I'll just come here and delete this, and then I'll put my details. Let me delete everything. All right, then my number is 0123456789. That's my contact number, and then my email address now it's please subscribe. Please subscribe @gmail.com. All right, and then I'll just click away. Okay, yes, I'll just click away. And then now to save, you go up here. Usually there is auto save, but just to be safe, you just come here. Here it says auto save is on, so it means I need to be saving as you go. But just to be safe, you can just come and say save. And then to see our changes now, we have to go and publish so that you can see our changes. So you publish again. Click on publish. And then once the color comes back to blue, it will be done publishing. So let's wait for it. All right, okay, so now we go now back to our site to check if our changes have been made. So you just refresh. So this is our site, and then you go down. So as you can see here, we have our new details. So we have changed the number 0123 blah blah blah, and our email. Please subscribe @gmail.com. I think we missed an M here. So that is how you can change text. So you can do the same for the address. I'm not going to show you that obviously because of our time. you just go and click, and then you change all those things like you've done with the contact details, and then you save, and then you publish. You'll be able to see all your changes. All right. And then now let's go up. Let's go up. You're not going to change everything. I'll just show you the main things, and then I'll do follow-up videos, because we can't cover everything in just one video. But I'm making follow-up videos later on, so be sure to subscribe so that you see all those follow-up videos. All right, and then I'll back to our script now. So I can click here on quick edit if I want to edit my script. So click on quick edit. And then now it will give you the different things. So here it says change background. So I can change the background color. So let's go here and click on backgrounds, on change. And then now I can go to color, or I can choose an image. So I'll change maybe to this color. Let me choose this one. All right, and then I'll exit this. I don't need to use a picture, so I'll just leave it like that. And then now okay, I think I'm done on this one. Then I'll go back. So that's my color now. And then from here now, I'll also need, I don't need this. Let me go to change vector art. So vector art, this is the logo. So usually before you do all those things now, you design a logo for your website, right? Or for your business. So this is where you upload your logo. So here, as you can see, it's saying upload media. So if you already have a vector art, you just come here, you click on upload, and then you upload that vector art that you be having. So I'll see if I can just pick something from the ones that I am given here. Let me just choose this one. Let me choose the love, the heart shape. Okay, so I'll click on this one. As you can see, Wix is a little bit heavy, and its response time is a little bit slow. But if you have very high specs, you won't have any problems. And then for the paragraph, well, let's just save and see our changes. So I'm going to save my changes, and then we can always come back. It's saving. After saving, then we publish, and then we go now and check to see our site after publishing. Okay, publish now. You click on publish now, so that we can see all the changes in real time. All right, done. Now we go back to our site and see. So this is how it's looking now. And then if I refresh this, let's see what happens. So as you can see now, we have our new logo here. Okay, it says mint here, so we're going to go and change and remove this mint. I missed that one. So that's our site. All right, and then so we go back again, and then we do a quick edit. All right, so here where it says mint, here you remove, or double click here, and then I'll just remove this. And then I'll save. All right, and then let's see after publishing. You publish now. All right, if you go to Foodies and then you refresh, you see that the mint will disappear. Okay, so this is where we are now. Our mint has disappeared. Our what where it was written mint, it has disappeared. All right. Okay, going back. All right, done here, done. All right, and then this is our main body where it says a fresh, healthy. Let me go up. We fresh, healthy, made with love. So you just come and click. If you click on the section, right, you have the options to change here. So here it says title. So you can change maybe to good food. Let's just change the text. So you can double click here, and then now you say good food. Let me first delete everything. Then I'll write good food here. All right, and then now you can also change, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, you can do all the things that you can do in applications like Word. You can format your text. All right, and then you can also justify it. So let me align it at the center like this. You see now it's at the center, and then I'll save and publish. Save and publish to see the changes in real time. So this is basically what you'll be doing. You go and do a small change, and then you go to your site to see if that change has been done. And then you see how it will be looking. And if it's okay, you can leave it like that, or you can go back to the previous version. All right, and then publish. So I'm doing this slowly so that you see all the steps, so that everyone will be able to follow and understand. And then here it says fresh, healthy, and made with love. And then if you refresh now, it should give us our good food here. All right, so this is, so here we have our good food here. So this is how you'll be doing all these changes. So you can do that. All right, and then the next one, now let's see what else we can change. All right, so the picture, we can also remove the picture. Okay, so I'll just click on the strip here on this section, and then I'll be given all this. So let me say change background, or let me go to the picture. So here it says strip background, so I'm going to change this. I'll click on change the picture that you see there. All right, and then I want to put my own image, so I'm going to change image. I'm going to click on image, and then now I upload. So you go now to uploads, so that I can check from that folder that I created earlier on. All right, and then upload from computer. I'll go to my pictures. I'll just choose any from all these pictures. Okay, let me choose this one, and then open. It shouldn't take time to upload. Okay, it's uploading now. All right, and then once it's done uploading, you come here bottom right and click on change background. So as you can see, our picture has been uploaded, but in a different way. This is because our picture is very small. That's why it's coming in this way. But when you're doing it professionally, we have to create your own pictures. I just downloaded these pictures for this video, so that's why you see things like this. So let's not use this picture. I'll just choose the backgrounds that I'm being given here. So let me just check if there is anything that is related to food. Let's see if I go up. Okay, I'll pick on this one. Okay, this is more like it. This is more like it, and then I can save and publish and see how my site will be looking. Remember, this video is just to show you how everything works, not to produce a very good looking website. I'm just showing you all the things, all the tools that are there on Wix. All right, let's publish and see the changes that we have made. So if you come here to our foodies, so this is the picture that is there before loading, before reloading. So I'm going to come here and then I reload. Okay, so as you can see that we have our new picture. All right, well, it is food, it is food. So now you see how you can change the background. You can change the image. All right, let's go back to our site. Okay, so we've covered how to upload pictures, how to change pictures, how to change the backgrounds. All right, and then from here now, let's go down. We have already covered text, so we're not going to go back to do text. We're not going to do text. We've already covered that. All right, let me cancel this strip backgrounds. All right, and then maybe we can just change some colors. So let's go to section background. Let's first change. Let's use different colors for this one. All right, so I'll click on color, and then I'm going to use those color. All right. For the section backgrounds, and then if I go back now, I go to strip red backgrounds. I'll click on that, and then I'll change the color as well to maybe something of this color. It's an ugly color, but I'm just showing you how to do it. All right, and then I'll go back to contents. All right, okay, what else do we need here? All right, let's publish those changes and see if there are any changes on our site. Then now we go again to our foodies, and then we click on reload, or you can just click on F5. So as you can see that our background is changed. So you see here that we have a new color here, so that's how you change the background color. And then here as well, our main backgrounds, that's the color that we chose. All right, okay, moving on. All right, we see the layouts. So like I said before, Wix is a little bit slow. It loads slowly, so just be patient. But we are doing all this for free, so you have to be patient. That's how you pay. That's how you pay. Because if you think of it now, if we had to go and pay someone to do this for you, you're going to pay a lot of money. But Wix will let you do everything by just clicking and dropping. So all those are layers. All those are layouts that you can choose. So I'm going to pick a different layer from what we have, so that you can just see uh, the changes. Okay, let me go up so that you see what we have now. So this is what we have, whereby our good food here is on top, and then we have our picture at the bottom. So I'm going to pick this one, a new layout, and then I'm going to save, and then you see there are a lot of options that you can pick from. A lot of options that you can pick from. So you just scroll downwards, and then you choose the one that catches your eye. All right, so let's wait for it to load. All right, okay, so this is what we have now. Let's save and publish so that you can see the changes on our site. So save and then publish. Then once it's done, we go to our site, and then this is what we have now. Let's see what we have after refreshing. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the layout that we chose, whereby we have our picture on the left side, and then on the right side we have our text good food here. Okay, so this is how you can also change the layout of your page. So it all depends with what you want. All right, it's everything will be in your hands. You design according to your needs, to your specifications. All right, moving on. Moving on. All right, okay. If I go down, is there anything that we can change? We have already covered all those things. How to change pictures, how to change text, and all those different things. All right, and then let's see if I click here on story. as you can see, it's already linked to our story. And then ordering, online ordering. So all those tools are already there. All you need to do is to you just go and change the text so that it fits your business. All right. So here it says we are not accepting orders, blah blah blah. So you just go and change all those things, all those text that's already there, but everything works already. You see, that's the good thing about Wix. And then book a table. You come here as well, and then now you can book a table here. Book a table. All right. Okay. So this is a drop-down list. You can also change this as well. So you date, the time, and the party size, and then now you just click on book now.